Alright, real quick, we're gonna go through this truck. It's a loaner. I just put my truck in the shop because of that DEF issue. And yeah, figured I do got a load on me. I just picked up a Costco load. Yesterday I did a Costco load and delivered it this morning. I pretty much been doing a 8.2, 3.7, stuff like that. Just wanted to record this truck. That way no one could sit there and say, oh, this and that and blah 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 was wrong with it. But I could say this and that was wrong with it when I got in it because I'm recording it now. I don't know how much fuel's in it. I just got the keys for it. I had to ask them to freaking look for it, ping it on the computer so I could find it. Even though I just literally walked over here, I was like right over there. And I didn't even come through the aisle. Because this is where they have all the new trucks at. So, let's see if it's open. Nope. Come on, seat. Drop. Yeah, I sit to the floor. Because I can't stand sitting up high. What the hell is all this crap? All that sticky stuff that people put glue and shit on here? Wowzers. Oh. And 2 more keys in here. Okay, that works. Oh, I got the camera. Look like it's been clean. It smells better than all the other trucks I've ever been in or got into. Inverter's right there. Fridge door is broken. So that's great. Oops, I'm looking down. Yeah. What the heck? Well, this came off. Put it up there. Deal with that in a second. Because as you can see, yeah. I don't really plan on bringing a lot of stuff in here. I'm just gonna grab a blanket and some. Hold on. I just plan on grabbing a blanket and whatever dry stuff I got. Alright, so chains on that side, paper book, reflectors, all the good stuff. So gotta look through here. That's the checklist. Make sure everything's all up to par. I should start, well, pop the hood and then look at it. Right now I'm checking, make sure we got, I don't know why there's a Qualcomm on here when we don't have the Qualcomm anymore. Unless they just put the Qualcomm and actually shows that crap. Alright. June of 23. Registration's decent. I guess if you're a company driver, this registration book is your responsibility to make sure you have everything. I know this truck hasn't been sitting that freaking long to where it doesn't have anything on here. All it has is registration and old IFTA sticker. So I'm gonna have to try to find go into the office and get an IFTA sticker. Nope, nobody's in today. Oh well. Alright, let's lift this hood open. Come on. Cooling's low, like always. Looks like it just got serviced. Good rock. Nasty ass oil. Probably hasn't got an oil change in the past 40 miles. There's the Detroit for you guys. Sorry for the wind. It's a little breezy outside. Brakes look good and everything. You can't really see the washing fluid because it's way back there. What else? Oil is good. Add some coolant. Fifth wheel is greased at least. Yeah. Alright, let's get in here. Can't start. Gotta use this. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Turn the power on. Turn the key on. Oh, down there full tank of DEF, full tank, almost full on fuel. That's cool. Air pressures are low. Before I start, let's see. 353,000 miles on this thing. All right. All right. Now, I don't mind Freightliners. They're just not the truck for me. I just can't. I don't know. Like, everybody thinks they're big, but in all reality, they're not. But anyways, I got what's gonna happen with this fridge. Let me see. Is there a button? Nope. Oops. Nope. Bunk heater. Oh, it's just automatically on. And then go get some stuff so I can bring it in the truck. They said they were gonna look at the truck tomorrow, or they'll probably get to it tomorrow to look at it. Honestly, I'm surprised they're open. I didn't think they were open. Honestly, I didn't think they were open. I was like, I was gonna drop it here and I'm gonna come back tomorrow, which is Sunday. And then, no, yeah. Be back here on Sunday night or afternoon, whatever. And then, lost train of thought. And then throw the truck in the shop on Monday. But they said they'll look at it tomorrow, which of course you're not going to be able to do anything tomorrow because there's no parts. Let's see how much it's going to cost down here. So with that being said, let me get situated and see you guys shortly. Alright everybody, I just got some stuff. I'm not even taking any clothes. I just took the microwave, my extension cord, sweaters, ramen noodles, and I'm about to grab some sodas out the fridge. Well, yeah. Grab some sodas, or at least the cold ones. And then I do have pork chops and hamburger meat, but I'm not really gonna get any rest by the time I get out of here. The slow deliver is about 6 o'clock in the morning in Vegas. Basically, it's North Las Vegas. I gotta check the weather because it's supposed to be snowing up there in Kingman. I don't know. So if it's snowing in Kingman, I'm gonna take the other route, which is like 30 minutes longer. That is going the 10 to, you go all the way to Quartzsite. I forget the exit before that, and then take the 93 or the 95 up to the 40, and that's Needles, and then take that west, couple miles up the road, exit, and follow that all the way up, and it'll take you to Vegas. That's the route that I might end up taking. I'm going off of what my clock looks like. I got down here and went off duty about with 3.5 hours on my clock. I gotta relook at that. Doesn't sound right. Because I had dang near a full clock, so if I had 3, blah blah blah, take a 30 or yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna get out of here. I just let the truck idle this whole time because I'm leaving my fridge on. I turned the inverter off, fridge is on. Like I said, grab some sodas, and then we're gonna head on out. And yeah, as you can see, I'm sweating. It's actually nice out here. It is 83 degrees. That's with the truck idling, so it's probably within 80s, 70s, high 70s. But up there in Kingman, they had wind advisory and also snow advisory too. So yeah. I might take my bag too. I might just go ahead and take this. It has all my toothbrushes and everything in it. Yeah. Even taking the other way around, there is gust winds. Right now, on the drives, on this truck, I weigh about 2980. On the trailer, it was 29,900. So it's past the 40-foot mark, but I could put that extra weight on the tandems and still be legal and still be able to roll through the 95 without having any issues with this small corner of California. So that's not really my worry half of the time. So, but anywho's, see you guys later, and I'm gonna get shit situated and try to get the heck out of here. I basically got here and I was gonna take like a 3-hour break because I took an 8 up there, or 2-hour break. So I took an 8 up there, which means I could take a 2 down here. So let's find out. All right, everybody. So we made it to our delivery. It is 10 o'clock. No, it's 9:20. We got here about 20 minutes ago. There's that storm that was coming through earlier today, and I knew it was coming through, but I was hoping I was gonna pass it before it fully got here. Didn't make it. Well, I made it, but then once I got 30 miles out of before the Hoover Dam, it started raining. It wasn't just raining, it was pouring rain, which is fine. I have no problem with the rain. It sucks, yeah, at nighttime, but that wasn't an issue to me. What became the issue was when the wind started to hit me on the side. And what I was seeing, it was saying that it was supposed to be like 10, 15 mile an hour winds. Well, if that was the case, the gust was up to like 40, 50 mile an hour. Because, yeah, it wasn't fun. Unless it's just me not being comfortable in this Freightliner, which is possible because getting here was a pain in the ass. I don't know why. Do not know why. It wasn't that hard to get here neither. But it was. But we got here. The load delivers at 6:30 in the morning. I'll wake up somewhere around 5, 6 o'clock. Go check in. And then go from there. So I gotta check the weather for tomorrow. Because tonight, Kingman is supposed to be getting snow. Don't know how much, but it's supposed to be getting it. In the next couple of hours, the rain should already be gone. So, gonna check the weather, go from there, cause doing the Costco, I just figured I'll show you the Costco Fuel Island. Let you know I'm at the Costco. Costco's like right behind me. What was I gonna say? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna check the weather and go from there since I'm doing Costco with Essential Trailer / Swift Trailer. They want the trailer back. So I'm gonna turn around and deadhead back to Phoenix and drop the trailer off. Which tomorrow is Sunday, so who knows. With that being said, I'm gonna go heat me up some noodles,